guys, brings back my childhood. Hearing those sounds and music. Oh, goosebumps, guys. And I can see the castle right now.
What we do here is go back.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And it's me again. It's Gerard Villareal for another travel vlog. And today's vlog, guys, magta-travel tayo international. Yes, you heard it right. We're going international. And it is my freaking first time to travel abroad. Sounds fun, diba, guys? So without further ado, let's go. Join with me as we explore and take you to Hong Kong. Let's go!
For the meantime, please sit back and let's enjoy the rest of the flight. Welcome aboard.
请保持系好安全带。
Alright, guys, touchdown, Hong Kong! Alright, so now it's 7 in the morning and we're going to the city. We're going to Kowloon. Tip to everyone, guys, sa gustong magpunta ng Hong Kong. If you want to, to save and to budget your trip, so I suggest you to take the bus, then to take the trains. Okay, so now this time, February is the coldest month here in Hong Kong. So now we're experiencing 11 degrees Celsius.
Right side.
The weather
Right side.
today,
Right side.
yeah. Now we're here at Hoi An Road, here in Hong Kong. Another tip, if you want to buy branded cakes, please do visit this place. Caramel Beef Building here in Hoi An Road. So nice. Yeah, so dito natin makikita yung mga factory outlet nila from New Balance, Nike, Adidas, and a lot more, guys. So please do visit this place. Visit Hong Kong soon. One of the major transportation here in Hong Kong is the MTR. It's so easy and hassle-free and take you so many points here in Hong Kong. 2 here in Hong Kong. It's a cold morning. Yeah, so now in our day 2 stay here in Hong Kong, we're going to Disneyland. Yeah, so before we head out to Disney, we're going to take our full meal breakfast. Alright. So look, what do we have for breakfast? It's the chicken choy of Jollibee and an egg. Perfect breakfast. With hot choco here in Hong Kong. Pinoy na Pinoy. These guys. Guys, so done with breakfast. And now we're heading up to the station to going to Disneyland Resort.
And we're going this way.
Yeah, this way. And if you want to, I know Hong Kong's a shopping place, guys. If you want to shop on shoes, the best place to go is basta guys, doon you look for the Camel Paint building, or
We're
maybe
lost in the moment.
or maybe I'll put the address below sa description. Doon sa Camel Paint building, they have so many cool cakes out there with discount, guys. Pwede kayong magtawad doon. Yes, and
Brands like Nike, Adidas, marami doon.
yes. Doon makikita yung factory outlet ng mga brand ng mga sapatos doon. So that's why it's so very cheap, guys. So what we have here, I just got a New Balance shoe still here. There you go. And my Misa got
I got
Reebok white kicks and
Nike.
white Nike shoes.
That one is 200.
Yeah, so we got this around 1,800 pesos, guys. It's so very cheap. Yeah. Now we're finally here at Disneyland! Woo! And guys, another tip, if you want to visit Hong Kong Disneyland soon, we just have booked to Collab app to purchase the Disney passes for a great discount and no long lines, and yeah, it's so easy and hassle-free, guys. So check it out, guys. Disney on Collab app. Alright, look who's here in the house, Tarzan! Favorite Toy Story Land!
Guest, be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. What? Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't.
全，请您在整个航程中在座位上坐好，请将您的胳膊和手脚放在船里面。